This video shows how to connect the connectgo.pro app to the Kenevo. First, connect the cables and gently insert the tube adapter into the knee joint. To initiate Bluetooth pairing, briefly connect and disconnect the charger. This opens a 2-minute setup window for Bluetooth connection. Or, if the knee joint is already switched on, you can always activate Bluetooth by turning the knee joint upside down. Then, wait for the status signal. Log in with the connectgo.pro app and select the knee joint you wish to adjust. The Bluetooth connection is established when the blue LED remains permanently lit.